Hi, it's Ed Kaminsky with eXp Luxury, and we're going to give you a Palos Verdes market update report. But we're going to report on a small segment of the market that's very attractive for buyers that go to Palos Verdes for this one reason: to find a beautiful home that's priced between $2 million and $3 million. And what has happened with that inventory, the trends that are happening right now, what's the good, what's the bad, and what's the ugly. So we're going to go to the chart right now and just take a quick look. And here's the first thing I've noticed. Look at what happened in 2019, pre-pandemic. Pre-pandemic, there are over almost 50 homes available for sale in the $2 to $3 million price point. Naturally, with price appreciation, what has taken place, you would expect that number to rise. However, it has shrunk. It's under 20 homes for sale and has remained that since the pandemic. What is the cause of this? Partially, the main reason is Palos Verdes has been a place that's being sought after post-pandemic because it's now a place you can live and work and not have to commute. So that's a major factor going on with this inventory. The other statistic to look at is the average days on market. You'll take a look right here. Your average days on market, other than this weird one blip in July, which it got out of control, it's remained relatively under 30 days. So that inventory is moving fast. When it comes up, it's gone. So if you're a seller, it's moving fast, you're probably happy. If you're a buyer, you're fighting other buyers for that inventory. Number three, as with most markets, you're going to see the average price since the pandemic is up 40%. 40%. Your average price per square foot was close to $700 in 18 and 19, and now we're pushing $950 a square foot. That's a 40% increase. Take 40% times 700,000, 280,000. That's 980. That's almost 40% increase in prices since the pandemic. That's a big jump. Now, what's bad? If you're a buyer, the number of homes active right now, the active homes for sale right here, it's just, as we talked about in the first screen, it's just down. There's just not much to pick from in that $2 to $3 million price range. The one issue with Palos Verdes will never change unless they build flying devices is if you want to get out of the South Bay, you still have to drive. That's the only drawback that people have going to Palos Verdes, and maybe why we are seeing it become so popular right now is because people can work from home. But if you can't and you got to drive to Pasadena, downtown LA, Century City, it's a haul to get to the freeway and drive through that traffic. So that remains ugly if commuting's not your favorite thing to do. So to conclude, Palos Verdes remains a very attractive place to purchase for multiple reasons. It's close to the water. It's absolutely beautiful. The school systems are ranked top in California, and it remains one of the most affordable, beautiful cities in Southern California. That's the great. And if you're a seller in this marketplace with low inventory, it's actually favoring you right now because prices are strong, they're stable, there are plenty of buyers out there. That concludes our Palos Verdes market update. Thanks for watching.